I want to tell you a message through this story. Once a Lord Indra became angry with farmers and he announced that till 12 years there will be no rain and you will not able to grow the crop. Farmers requested Lord Indra, but the rain is only possible when Lord Shiva plays the drum. Already Indra had discussed these things with Lord Shiva to be not to be satisfied to the farmers. When farmers approached Lord Shiva, he said that rain is possible when I play the drum after 12 years. With the disappointment, farmers decided to wait for 12 years. But one among the farmer was plowing the field and even sowing the seed. Other farmers made fun of him. Why you are wasting the time in plowing the field? This farmer answered, I know that without rain I can't get my crop. I am just practicing to plow. After 12 years, I forget how to plow. I am just practicing. After 12 years, there will be no difficulty in plowing the field. By listening these words, Goddess Parvati said to Shiva that if you also forget how to play the drum, then what is the thing? By listening, Lord Shiva got worried and started playing the drum. By the sound of the drum, the rain started raining. The farmer who had already started plowing got the crop, but others, they start to remorse that they left plowing. In this way, 2 days after or 2 weeks after or 2 months after or 2 years after, Corona will vanish. But don't wait till this pandemic vanish. Better you practice daily, increase your knowledge and develop skills. Anytime the drums can play. Throw the negligence and start practicing day by day. When time comes to give your exams, you can perform efficiently. So stay home, stay healthy, keep practicing, children. I think you have understood this story and start practicing. Today, let us start our session with addition and subtraction of large numbers. As you know, children, you are learning from first standard that how to find the sum. Sum means addition. First, arrange the numbers, then start adding from ones place. That is from right to left. So, always do the calculation in your mind itself. Don't use your pen and pencil. Then you will become perfect in solving the addition sums. So, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry to the hundreds place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 to the thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 2 carries to the lakhs place. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 1 to the 10 lakhs place. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. By adding these three large numbers, you get 6 is in 10 lakhs place. So 64 lakhs 28,502. Once again, 64 lakhs 28,502. Let us solve the next sum. First, arrange the numbers in right column. Okay, children? The proper column. Then start adding from the ones place. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Carry 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Again 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Next, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0 is again 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 0 is again 7. 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. 2 plus 7 is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. So children, by adding these three numbers, we get 7 is in 10 crores place. So 79 crore 75 lakhs 13,144. Once again children, 79 crores 75 lakhs 13,144. Next, arrange the numbers in the same column and now start adding. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 0 is again 13. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 plus 1. You can hear the sound of birds. What children? The birds are chirping. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. The birds also want to learn addition, I think so. What children? Is it right? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Now, by adding these three numbers, we get 1 is in 10 crores place. So 10 crores 66 lakhs 21,973. Once again, 10 crores 66 lakhs 21,973. Next one, by arranging the numbers, you get, start from ones place, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 3 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2, there is no carryovers children. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 again. 2 plus 9 is 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now you get, put the comma after 3 digit from the ones place, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digit. Then you get 10 crores 18 lakhs 87,154. Once again, 1 is in 10 crores place. 10 crores 18 lakhs 87,154. Now let us solve the sums on subtraction. Whenever you do subtraction, you have to keep it in your mind that we have to start with what children? Yes, bigger number first. Okay, then only you can subtract. So arrange the bigger number first, then smaller number second. Then start subtracting. Now, start from ones place. 3 minus 3 is 0. You have 3 chocolates. You have given 3 chocolates to your friend. So what is left with you is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. That is, you have 2 pencils. You have neither given 1 pencil or nor any pencil to your friend. Then what is remaining with you is 2 itself. Now 1 minus 8. I have 1 chocolate and I have to give 8 chocolate to my brother. How it is possible? Because you have less chocolate, so you can't give. So one method is you can borrow from your friends. So 1 becomes 11. 9 becomes 8. Now 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 0 minus 9. You have no chocolates and you have to give 9 chocolates to your friend. How it is possible? Yes, by taking borrow. So 0 becomes 10. 2 becomes 1. Now 10 minus 9 becomes 1 is the remainder. 1 minus 3 is not possible, children. So again take borrow. 1 becomes 11. 5 becomes 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. So now put the comma after first 3 digit, then after 2 digit. What is remaining by subtracting these two numbers? 38 lakhs 17,320. Next one. First arrange the numbers, then subtract. First number should be the greatest number in the subtraction. So now you have all zeros. There are no chocolates. There is no chocolates. I have to go to tens place. Yes. Tens place person also is not having any chocolates. Hundreds, no. Thousands, no. 10,000s, no. Lakhs, no. 10 lakhs is having 4 chocolates. So what I'll do is I'll take the help of 10 lakhs. So I'll take 1 chocolate from him. So what is remaining here is 3 chocolates. So here it comes and becomes first 10. Then I have to take the 1 chocolate from lakhs place. So this becomes 9. Again this becomes 10. Again he had to give to thousands place. So he becomes 10 and 9. Again he had to give to hundreds. So this becomes 10 and then he has to give to tens place. So again he has to give to ones place. So you have to stop here only. So tens. Here in ones place we will get 10, not 9, because he is not giving any chocolate to anyone. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is remaining? 14 lakhs 81,376 chocolate is remaining. When you subtract 40 lakhs minus 25 lakhs 18,624. Subtract one more sum. So start with ones place. Bigger number should be the first. So now 1 minus 9 is not possible. So take borrow from tens place. So this becomes 11 and this becomes 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. 1 minus 8 is possible, children? No again, because 1 is smaller than 8. So again take borrow. 1 becomes 11. 4 becomes 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 3. First you check whether it is possible to subtract or not. Then you take the help of your friend. First 3 minus 3. I have 3 pencils and I have given 3 pencils to all the 3 pencils to my friend. So what is remaining? Yes, 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 4 is possible. There is no need of taking borrow. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible, children, because 0 is less than 9. So take borrow. 0 becomes 10. 3 becomes 2. Now you subtract. After taking the borrow, you subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 3 is not possible again. 2 is less than 3. So take borrow. Here we have 0. Keep it in the mind. Here we don't have any chocolate. So you have to move to crores place. So this becomes 7. First this becomes 10. Then if I give to him, then this becomes 9. So this becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So put comma after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. So what is your answer here? That is 1 crore 79 lakhs 15,032. Let us solve the next example, that is 8 minus 2. Start from the ones place and bigger number should be the first. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Keep it in the mind, because 5 is less than 6. So take borrow. So 5 becomes 15. 4 becomes 3. Now 15 minus 6 becomes 9. 3 minus 7 is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So this becomes 2. This becomes 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 8 is again not possible. So take borrow. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8 becomes 4. 1 minus 9 is not possible. So take borrow from crores place. So this becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So put the commas after 3 digit, then 2 digit, after then 2 digits, say in the Indian system. Okay. So now how you will read this number? 3 crores 24 lakhs 69,246. I hope you have understood today's class. Keep practicing, keep learning the tables regularly from 2 to 20 so that you can do multiplication and division sums easily. Keep learning, keep going. Thank you, children.